This is step-by-step guide for to set up custom badges on product cards in Luminthemes. These are customizable labels or icons that can be added to product images or listings to draw attention to specific attributes, such as new arrival, bestseller, or limited edition. Now let's set up custom badges. First of all, we need to add product tags in Shopify admin. From your Shopify admin, go to Products. Click the name of a product to edit. In the Product Organization section, go to Tags, write Badge 1. For example, you can write Badge 1, New Arrival, Bestseller, Limited Edition, Extra. You can add up to 3 custom badges per product. You can customize the color of the text and the background of custom badges. First, go to Collection page where you can see all the products. Now to change colors of the badges, go to Theme Settings, then clicking on Badges. Then scroll down to the section where it says Custom Badges Colors and then customize the background, text and border to your preferences.